This is me driving down the highway with my normal headlights on. And this is me driving down the highway with my brand new LED light bar. In this video, I'm going to show you how I professionally installed this light bar onto my Chevy truck. Let's get right into it. This is the truck we are working on. It is a 1997 Chevy C1500. This is what came in the mail. We got the light bar, the wiring harness, and the mount for the lights. The first step is going to be attaching the mounts to both sides of the bar light. Just make sure not to tighten those nuts all the way quite yet. The next step would be to put the light bar on the car and mark where you need to put your screw holes on the bracket. We actually used a tape measure to make sure that we got the brackets evenly spaced on both sides. Once you have your light bar where you want it, make sure to screw in the brackets into the top of your truck or car. Once you have your light bar in the angle you want, make sure to tighten your angle screws on both sides. To make this installation as professional as can be, we have to hide the wires. So the first thing I have to do to my truck was take off the handle. As you can see, those covers just pop off and it reveals two screws. You take those out, and then we also have to take out the plastic covering over the frame. It just pops right out. The next step would be to drill a hole for the power cord. I highly recommend using a bit that's bigger than your wires, so that way it will slide in and out really easily, and you can just use sealant for the excess space. Right here we are feeding the power cord up to the light bar. Now it is time to solder your power cord to your light bar cord. And as you can see right here, we are putting flux on the connections. We are going to solder the connections together and put electrical tape around them.
Jack it up.
Don't forget to put sealant over the hole you made for the power cord to keep water out. Now you want to reinstall your hardware with the cord hidden underneath it. Here we used a self-tapping screw to mount this to the inside of my truck. This will keep the cord away from anything hot inside the hood. Now the final step is to simply connect your power cord to the battery. Now here's a tour of the whole setup. As you can see, we have where the cord connects to the battery. Then we have the bracket we put in place with the self-tapping screw. That cord feeds through this hole in the front and goes into the inside of the front door. That power cord runs up and goes to the light bar. And then there is also another cord that goes to a switch. The cord that goes to the switch I have tucked underneath the dash over various places, so it is completely hidden. Here is us turning on the light for the first time. As you can see, it is super bright. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the road. As you can see, this bar light is crazy. It is so much better than this normal headlights. The light bar I am using in this video will be linked in the description. This light bar works perfectly on my 1997 Chevy C1500, and it should work perfectly for any other similar models. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.